Hi, this video is about how to edit the pull-free door unit in kitchen cabinet module. From New Library, Tall Cabinet. I need to use this pull-free door unit in my design, but I need to increase the bottom door height to 100. So, click on the door. Let's say here I change to 802. Then the upper door I need to change to 1372. And then I also need to move up the door at 100. As you see here, the handle is not moving together. To move the handle, press B to enter board selection, click on the handle and input the moving distance in Z. So I'll just add 100 to become 835. The handle has two parts, so do the same on the other one. Add 100 become 780. Now I've moved the handle up, but the panel hole location is not changing as well. To solve this, make sure you're still in board selection mode, then click on the side panel. Look at the intermediate notch bottom height. This is actually the original height of the hole. So we can add 100 to make it 780 and we are done. Do the same on the other side. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you.